Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Before you install SQL Server, prepare the host and resources carefully. Download the SQL Server installer for your chosen edition. Use Windows Server 2016 or newer for best compatibility and support. Reserve at least 10 GB of free disk space and provide a minimum of 4 GB of RAM for a basic instance. Plan for at least 2 CPU cores and consider faster storage for production databases. Allow TCP port 1433 through your firewall now to avoid connection issues after installation. Run the SQL Server installer and pick basic or custom installation mode to control settings. Choose default instance name MS SQL Server or provide a named instance for multiple installs. Configure service accounts using least privilege principles during the setup wizard to improve security. Enable database engine services and change data, log, and backup directories to separate drives when possible. Set authentication to mixed mode and create an SA password of at least 8 characters to secure the instance. After installation, perform essential configuration and security tasks immediately. Open TCP port 1433 in the firewall and enable TCP/IP protocol in SQL Server Configuration Manager. Verify remote connections using SQL Server Management Studio or SQL CMD from a client machine. Configure server options like max server memory and set it to 8 GB for this host size. Create a maintenance plan that includes daily backups, regular index rebuilds, and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.